excuse. I just want you to use me. Take me and abuse me. I got no taboos. I make a trade with you. Do anything you want me to. Money talks. Money talks. Dirty cash, I want you. And dirty cash, I need you. Oh, money talks. Money talks. Dirty cash, I want you. Dirty cash, I need you. Oh.
Hi everyone, I'm Denise and welcome to my dressing room. Today I'd like to share with you the 2 Chanel bags that got the axe from my dressing room in order to replace it with my birthday Birkin. Now, I've said in previous videos, I don't sell my designer bags because I purchase them to love them, use them, and it takes me months and years to make a decision to buy it. So I don't take it lightly, and I don't sell my bags. But you see my wish list, and I just thought, you know what, I need to go through all my bags and, you know, pick the ones that I haven't used for a while, and, you know, just see what I could kind of get for them dollar-wise. And the 2 bags that I chose, I actually chose 3. I did check out some Facebook groups to sell my bags, but I kind of put, you know, feelers out there, and all I got was really lowball offers because they're basically resellers, so they're gonna buy low and sell high. So I just decided, you know what, I'm going to go to my pre-loved boutique in Vancouver that I've been going to for more than 2 decades. And I made an appointment with them, and I said, I have a couple bags that I want you to look at. And they said, sure, come on down. Now, I could have sent them photos, but, you know, they require like 30 photos. And for me to do that, download it, you know, half of them would go missing. So I thought I would just make an afternoon of it and take my bags down there. Now, here's my collection. I do have some bags downstairs, but can you guess which bags got the boot? So it was, any guesses? It was the red mini, the red velvet mini with the aged gold hardware, and my silver beauty lock box, and I'll have a photo right here. So those are the 2 bags that I chose. I was actually very, very surprised of how much they were worth. Now, the mini was worth quite a bit more than I paid for it. I got the mini in 2019, and I got the beauty locks box in 2016. So the reason I chose the mini, because I haven't used it, I didn't use it all in 2024. I used it for Christmas around 2023, 2022, and in the fall, you know, when I first got it, 2019 and that. But it's also a bag that after I used it, I would have to brush the velvet, just a little bit more maintenance than my other bags. And like I said in my Chanel collection video, it was not my first choice. I had wanted I believe it was the pink mini, or the red caviar mini with gold hardware. This one I had aged hardware. So I had no regrets giving up the mini. The Beauty Lock bag, I kind of, I had spent probably about a week thinking about it. This was the beginning of February that I decided to consign my bags, and I was just like, okay, well, and that bag I had not used at all. So I was like, oh, should I go back and forth? And of course, I've asked my daughters, and they're brutal, and they're like, that bag is so ugly. But I like the aesthetic of the bag. The only thing, it had that accordion, kind of like the accordion middle. So it was really cumbersome to get in and out. But like I said, I've kept that bag for 9 years, and I used it. And so I definitely got, I got good use out of it. So those are the 2 bags that I basically did a trade for this Birkin, and then I got some cash back, so that's even cheddar. So that's even better. And it's funny, I had walked into the appointment, and was I wearing this bag? Yeah, I think I was wearing this bag. And right away they said, oh, Denise, is that the bag that you're bringing in? I said, no, I am not getting rid of this one. And she goes, well, we could actually, we could give you a really good price. I was like, no, this is the bag I'm wearing to the appointment today. I am not giving it up. So they were very interested in the GST and the, I can't remember the name of the, I think it's Ivory White, yes. So was it worth it for me? Definitely, hands down. And it was just a happy accident that they happened to have this Birkin come in, and I think this came in a week before or a week after that I had brought. No, this came in a week before I had brought my Chanel bags in. So it actually it worked out really well. And some interesting facts. I was also told by the sales assistants that the reason why they don't get these Birkin Jean Paul Gaultier bags in, because they are so difficult to resell. She said they're the hardest bags to resell. They had a black one that she said they had it for months and months, which I had seen on their website, but I have quite a few black bags, so I wasn't interested. So she said that's their reasoning, that these bags are really hard to sell. And when I was thinking of getting this one, the price it had already gone down. I believe she gave me $1,000 off. So it was just like an awesome deal. And like I said, the Chanel bags in Canada seem to be more popular than the Birkins. So I was happy, and I have, like I said, I have no regrets in the bags. Do I plan on selling any other bags? No, that's a hard no, not for now. Now, for me, this transaction worked out really well, but I've been asked this question before. Do I think designer bags are investments? No, that's a hard no. Unless you're keeping the bags like I have for 35, 20, 10 years, 7 years, then, and also you got to take in factor of the style. Is it a popular style? So the mini is still a popular style. So that bag is going to sell. The Beauty Lock, that was just I wasn't using that bag, so I just thought, oh, well, I'll see what they'll give me for that. And like I said, that was a nice surprise too. But generally, as soon as you purchase it brand new, out of Chanel, out of Hermes, just like a brand new car, when you drive off the lot, your car depreciates right away. I feel the same with designer bags. And again, like I said, unless you're going to keep them for many years and it's an in-style bag, then you might be lucky and get more than you paid for, or you'll break even. But if you think of them as an investment that you're going to get all your money back, no. Because you got to factor in a lot of things too. At least where I live, we have the GST and the PST, which is 12% tax. And that's been going on since the 2000s. So you have to factor in all of those things. So no, bags, designer bags are not investment. You want to invest your money, go talk to a financial advisor and get some options of where to actually invest your money. Definitely not in a designer bag. And it goes to show you too, like, so this bag is worth 1.5 Chanel bags. So, and everybody's saying, oh, you can get, you know, so much more with your Hermes Birkin bag, you know, blah, blah, blah. As some do, I guess, if it's a popular color, like the gold, I guess, maybe the black ones. I've seen them, those listed for 32,000 Canadian that are 2018. Like, that's crazy. Because yeah, no, that bag in 2018, brand new, I think would have been 12. So yeah, that's just crazy. So anyways, that's just my that's my opinion. I have a background in accounting and finance, so yes, unless you're going to keep them for a long time, no. I do think there are some resellers out there that are making a little bit of money, but like I said, they are buying low and selling very, very high. From what I've seen on YouTube, it doesn't look like everybody is making money off their bags. And again, I think that if you're buying it for that, and also, and this is my opinion, and it's not going to be popular, this ridiculous cost per wear. And it's because I work in accounting, I think that's just ridiculous. I think if you have to calculate the cost per wear, that you actually can't afford it. So just my opinion. I think that anytime you buy an expensive designer contemporary bag, that you should be buying it because you love it and you want to use it. Like I said, I don't believe all these people are making bank off all these bags. There's just no way, especially when you go into these pre-loved boutiques and you see the prices, and then you go on these Facebook groups, and some of them are selling super high, but they sit there for months and months and the bags don't sell. So it goes to show you. But then again, I could be wrong, and if you think that, in the comments, let me know. If you sold bags and you've made, you know, quite a bit of dinero or cheddar, let me know in the comments. Also, I just wanted to let you know, since I haven't sold a designer bag in I think it was 13 years now, I was actually very happy about how the transaction went. I went down to the boutique. I met with the manager, one of the sales assistants, and the oh my gosh, the authenticator. So it was quite nice. You know, had a really nice area to sit in. They like my bags. I had the shopping bag, the dust bags. I had everything with it. I was offered something to drink, and you know, we were chit-chatting, and it was a very nice experience. Like I said, I haven't sold in so many years, so I was kind of like, oh, you know, well, I don't know how this is going to work out, you know. So it was actually quite a pleasant surprise. And yes, they do take their cut, but even with them taking their cut, I made a really good deal on my 2 bags. So I think that's all I wanted to chit chat about today, guys. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and if you would consider subscribing, that would be awesome. I am trying to grow my channel, and I hope to see you in my next video, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.